The main focus of this event is to bring everyone on board and engage, educate, and empower. And this event will bring us together to celebrate what we have done over the time, but also bring new knowledge, new approach to the common issues that we are facing.
It's all about sharing of knowledge. It's about exploration of possibilities between institution, inter-institution, and intra-institution. And it is about creating and co-creating new knowledge.
Well, I think this is a great opportunity for networking between various institutions. Many people are given the opportunity to connect with the distinguished professor who is coming here from a renowned university.
We have great potential to develop different art, which is not a commercial art that we see using commercial materials or commercial mediums, very traditional medium like oil or acrylic, but using this sort of a waste and combine them into a different way of producing art, I think is very interesting.
Having Professor John Sobro as our expert, conducting the workshop with our students, this is truly a global effort, global exposure for our students, and we are hoping that the outcome of the whole workshop will be fantastic, where our students will become more global citizens.
I'm very pleased that the collaboration we started years ago is still going on, and this is what internationalization is all about. It's not universities working in silos, but universities working together, both local universities as well as international universities.
So basically what we've done is we've come up with a remediation process that can clean up the stream for free. It turns out the iron pollution in the streams is actually a valuable product. If you remove it carefully and with the right process, you can produce a pigment that not only is no longer a waste product, it has value.
I'm a dreamer. I do have hopes that through working through all the workshop participants and through the lecture and whoever comes to that they take away that sense of empowerment that we worked on. And maybe they take away a different way of looking at the world, because we need their viewpoints. We need everyone's viewpoints. You can't sit this one out. We don't have enough future to do that. So yes, is it overly ambitious? Yes, it's overly ambitious, but that is what I'm hoping for.
My name is Guy Riefler.
I am Jayum Jawan.
My name is Habiba Ashari.
Muhammad Kamal bin Harun.
My name is Jiang Zhang.
My name is Ernesto Pucason.
Zainab Muhammad Noor.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is the 10th
The 10 distinguished
Tun Abdul Razak.
the 10th distinguished Tun Abdul Razak
Tun Abdul Razak Lecture.
2018.
And this is the 10th Distinguished Tun Abdul Razak Lecture.